What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've been waiting for this day for a while. I mentioned it a while back ago in a few videos, but the new suspension is here. So the lowering springs from AST is here. And today we're just going to be unboxing it. We're not going to be doing an install video. I'm going to be doing an install video later on. I'm still waiting on getting a date to get it in the shop. I am not going to be installing them myself. I'm going to have a professional shop do it just so it gets done right. But also in this install video, in this unboxing, we're going to be unpacking the new jet tags, which will be available on the Clutching Company soon. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll show you what we got. All right, guys, so this is the box that came in. I really like the style of the box. It's really cool. Made in the Netherlands. It's got orange on it. It's got the AST logo on it. So it's really cool because there's this weird little, there's this cool little spring thing on here, if you could see. So yeah, I am actually, I'm really excited to unbox this for y'all and show you what they look like. So we'll go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, I know it's a little hard to see me, but you know, the main purpose of this is just to get a look at the springs themselves. So, very simple packaging. You have your 4 springs in here. Your fronts in the middle, your rears on the side. These things are insane. Like, jeez, these things are crazy. I mean, they're full on, you know. They are very strong. So actually, it actually tells you, these are actually the rears, my bad. So these are the fronts and these are the rears, so. But yeah, those are the springs, and as I said before, I'm still waiting on an installation date. Just want to give a shout out to car sponsors for sponsoring this install, and Spring Rates for being the sponsor of this video. Now let's get back to it. All right, so now that we've unboxed the springs, now we're gonna get into the new jet tags. So I'm really excited to see what these look like. So the previous ones are black. Let me show you the previous ones here. So these are the previous ones right here. You know, and I like the black and all, but I want to try something else. I want to try the red, see what the red looks like with I guess you could say block letter logo, block letter Clutching Co. So we'll go ahead and get to unboxing this and see what we've got. All right, I just thought I'd add this in the video actually, that I just went back onto the website where I got these keychains, these jet tags, and I looked at the measurements, and apparently these are 13 centimeters long and 3 centimeters wide, and these are only 2.5 in width and 10 centimeters in length. That's right. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and order the right ones. Same look and everything. It's just gonna be this size with this look of this block lettering logo. So I don't know how well y'all can see it, but y'all saw it in the previous. But yeah, so I just thought I'd add that in there. I just figured that out. That slipped my mind. So, but we're gonna do another test order. So, you know, we'll get the same amount of keychains. So we're gonna have a lot of keychains of just different things. So yep, I just thought I'd add that in there. So as always, see you next time. What's up, everybody? So today actually we've got I ordered a boost gauge for my car, and it finally arrived. So I've got it right here with me. Already ripped it open, and I'll go ahead and show you all what's inside. All right, so first off, we've got the actual pod that the gauge goes into. I have never installed one of these yet, so I hope this will be easy. I have no idea. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're gonna see how this goes, and if I need to, I can have someone else install it. But the real device here that we have. All right, guys. So it's all. Let's see here. So we have the pod, and then we have this glow shift. I don't know if y'all could see that or not, but it's a tinted 7 color series pod for this. Let's see here what we got here. So it's actually the gauge. So now I've never installed one of these before, so we're gonna see how this goes. Here. All right, so first look, this thing looks pretty sturdy actually. This thing is already jammed in there for sure. I mean, so we've got the power cables. This is it looks like we've got 4. So we've got a positive, negative, ground, and, well, I don't really know. So then we've got the T-fitting, the vacuum fitting. And then we've got vacuum hose and this little thing. I honestly have no idea how to install this thing. So this is going to be very interesting. I hope I can do it. It said it should just fit right on without having to do anything, but I don't know for sure here. So I may have someone else install it for me. See about getting... So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna we're not at the car right now, so I'm gonna see about getting someone else to install it for me, just so we get it done right. Because I honestly have no idea what I'm doing, and I don't want to mess it up. It's already a pain to put back in here. Let's see here. I really wish we could install this right now, but I don't want to mess it up. So I'm just gonna let someone else do it, which I think is a smart idea. Just considering what I know and what I don't know how to do here. I mean, like, I already don't know how to put it back in properly, so we're gonna struggle with this a bit. So, alright guys, finally got it back in the box. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm just gonna have someone professionally do it for me, just so it gets done right. It looks like the pod has some screws and stuff in it. So it looks like the pod has some screws and stuff in it, so I don't know if we need to screw into the pillar or what needs to get done. But yeah, for sure, stay up to date on the video. In the next video or the video after that, one of the upcoming videos, I'm gonna be doing a review on it basically. So when it gets installed, I'll be doing a review on how well it performs and all that good. So guys, today's finally the day. I dropped off my car this morning around 8 a.m. to get some work done. And I have not told you all yet, and you all did not receive the date of when this was happening, but you all, in a previous video, I mentioned that this particular thing was going to happen. I'm not going to tell you all what I've done. One thing you know, but there's another thing that you have not been told yet, that I actually just figured out, that I just planned on doing yesterday. We're gonna go pick up the car, and I'm gonna bring y'all along and show you all what we did, and let me know down in the comments if you like it. Unfortunately, due to liability issues, I was not able to get any clips inside the garage of them installing it, but I could show you before and after of the car. I don't have the old springs, but as you can probably guess, they're just like the new ones, just bigger. So in another video, I will be talking about how it drives. I do want to give a big shout out to car sponsors. They are the ones who sent me the springs, and they are sponsoring this video. I also want to shout out to Spring Rates. They are the spring company that I used through car sponsors. So I want to give a big shout out to both of them. They're the reason we have these springs. So thank you all. I will definitely be using car sponsors more, since they are a big sponsorship of mine, to get more parts for the car and future cars and all that good stuff. So I really appreciate car sponsors and all the companies that help people build out their cars. So big shout out to you all. And that is basically going to wrap it up for this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of the ride height difference and all that stuff. Also, if you haven't checked out the Clutching Company, this new designs are out now. If you follow my Instagram, you saw the post about the new designs, so go check those out. I really like them. Let me know down in the comments also, or shoot me a DM and let me know what you think of the shirts. I also want to give a big shout out to the Spartan Garage. They're the ones who installed these springs. They did a great job. I'll definitely use them again. So thank you to Spartan Garage. So another thing that Spartan Garage did is actually install the boost gauge that is mounted on the A pillar of my car right now. I'll run through a clip of how it works and what it does and how it works for people who don't know. Because trust me, there are plenty of people that I know that have no idea how boost gauges work, and that's completely fine. So I'm gonna show you all how it works and just give you a rundown over that. So I also listen to everybody's ideas about new apparel ideas and new designs and all that good stuff. So if you think of anything, shoot me a DM, comment down below, do all that good stuff.